it is 8:40 here, and Clay and I are just on our way to Milwaukee. We're gonna go pick up Kate, and we are gonna have a bomb-ass weekend. Slash, she's staying till Tuesday. We have a ton of stuff planned, so yeah, let's go pick her up. Click record. Hi, baby girl. So Kate and I went to the gas station.
Donut, grilled cheese, and a LaCroix.
Balanced diet. I went with a grilled cheese, and we've got cheese nuggets.
Keep in mind, it's 10 a.m.
I'll go up here.
First couple bites, what are we thinking of the Quick Trip grilled cheeses?
Solid
Good.
B-.
Ooh, okay. Kate and I are here at the Asian grocery store, and we are going to get some snacks and try them out. So Kate and I grabbed all of the little snacks and different food items we're gonna try. So this is kind of a little vlog inception. I don't know why I keep saying that, but my eye keeps like freaking twitching. Does that make me relatable? Everyone's eye twitches. We are about to film that video, and I'm really excited. It took everything in us not to eat the stuff on the way home. We got like these like strawberry cakes and stuff. It looks really good. We refrained. So yeah, we're gonna film that, and then I have to head to work, sadly. You two are so naughty. So I actually got called off of work because nobody signed up for class tonight, so I'm free. And Kate and I are just making dinner. Kate and I are cooking in the kitchen. We've got some fresh zucchini and some mac and cheese. Sounds good. Kate and I are laying in bed watching Tati. Quick. So Pickles is sleeping above us, and he keeps like smelling Kate's head. It's the cutest thing ever.
The plane.
We are up. We didn't end up actually taking a nap.
No, we watched cat videos.
Friendship goals. And we are just playing Cards Against Humanity, or sorry, Crabs Adjust Humidity.
No, that's crabs against jumble.
Start.
Shem fucking passes the fuck out.
Okay.
Midnight. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna fucking rip your face off.
Good morning. So Kate and I are just running some errands. We're gonna go pet some kitties and puppies and go to the bank.
Fun stuff.
Yeah, and go to Ulta. Typical Kate nowadays. There's a green bean on your head.
Not anymore, really, because we're gonna hear
So now Kate and I are gonna make fresh caprese paninis with fresh basil from the garden and also fresh tomatoes from my little balcony garden. So Kate and I just got home and we picked up some schmallows. We're gonna be making Rice Krispie treats today, so super excited about that. Oh my god, look at that stretch. How are my capreses? So I get an A+ for cooking. Mini caprese sandwiches. Zucchini take 2. So I just cooked my zucchini with a little bit of olive oil, some pepper, salt, and a little bit of parsley. It's super good. So because we're having Rick and Morty night, we decided to go with blue. So we're making blue marshmallows to look like Mr. Macy's. So So Kate and I are just headed to the terrace, which we're super excited about. Kate's visited me a ton here in Madison, but hasn't been to the terrace, and they just redid it, and I haven't been there yet either. So we are going to watch the sunset. Hey. So we're just walking down and we're watching the sunset. It's beautiful. And yeah, we pet the cutest puppers ever. They were absolutely adorable. They were so cute. Everybody comment down below what kind of dog you have. I'm curious. I wish you could post pictures on YouTube, but you can't, which sucks. What should we do tomorrow?
I want to go pet deer.
Yes. So Kate and I are gonna go pet deer tomorrow. I'm so excited.
Yeah, we are.
Film their like little faces. They always go like.
I want to get chased by a whole pack when I'm holding the crackers.
Yes.
I'm really excited.
Do they want the crackers, girl? Are you excited? You look so pretty. You're welcome. How you like the terrace so far?
I like it.
It's nice, right? It's a beautiful night too. Yeah.
Sunset.
Nothing like Florida sunsets though, right? No. You heard it here, folks. Kate doesn't like our sunsets here in Wisconsin. Awkward.
This is great. I've seen this one before.
Forgot it.
I too short.
I'm like a deer with no feet. Oh wait, no feet. Oh wait.
Or else it didn't happen.
Okay,
Just do it.
now look at it.
I'm trying to keep a straight face. Who bought this? Was this your idea?
What is the shirt?
Mom got it.
It's a mini.
BJ hates Minnie.
Oh, really?
So Kate and I are eating chips on the couch, cuddling, because why not? We're about to watch Rick and Morty. Good morning. So everybody is running around. We're getting ready. We are going to the Dells to go to the deer park, and then we are possibly going to go to the waterfall. Maybe, maybe not. So we'll see how much time we have. I'm out of breath. Okay, let's go. So 1 U-Haul, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gonna pet some deer. Very excited about that.
Why don't they ever want to eat
My God. Whoa, that one has like a blue eye.
Oh, wasn't hungry.
So these white-tailed deer over here aren't feeling our corn. I don't know why.
So many people here today. They're just like, nah, I'm full.
Yeah, like no thanks.
me alone.
I bought like 2 fucking things to feed, so hopefully the other deers will eat my feed. Oh my God, he's hungry. Put the feet up like high. Kate, we have them coming. Oh God. Okay. You can have it. Kate's looking up why that deer was yelling. We have no idea.
Hi. Oh, you're sweet. Oh, you're cute too.
Just like getting himself ready.
Dressing yourself up, yeah.
Alright, so we are now in Faribault and we are walking through the woods to get to a waterfall, which I'm really excited about. Oh my god, let there be light! So I made a homemade sushi. So I got like a couple nice sushis here. Well, they're like reflecting off this plate. That's so weird. And then we've got like that. What the fuck? What the fuck? Kate, what's your Sims character's name?
Cheryl.
Cheryl. Good morning. So it is Tuesday and it is 11:28 to be exact. And Kate and I are headed to Mickey's Dairy Bar, which is like thebomb.com. And we are just going to get some food and we're meeting up with Jessica and Taryn. So yeah, it's gonna be a girls' day. Walking to Mickey's. We're both just wearing clothes. But Jessica made it, and Taryn and Kate, so we got the Nest plus Cave pack, and we're heading to Mickey's.
Take it easy.
So we've noticed, we've been people watching here, and we've noticed that we can kind of pick out who is a CrossFitter. There's like a CrossFit championship coming here to Madison, and it's really funny to see if we can like recognize what's like a giveaway. Obviously muscle mass.
Big thighs.
Yeah, big thighs, like big muscle thighs, and then giant water bottles. Yep, giant water bottles and cut off tees with words on it. Inspirational fitness words.
Come on, Stella. Let's go this way.
I feel like the boyfriend right now because I'm just waiting for my ladies to try on stuff. Listen to Michael Jackson. They're leaving me because I'm walking. So we're at Target, a fancy Target, and we are looking for fly traps and a fan, and I needed some deodorant. Enzo, you're just getting kisses from all the ladies, aren't you? He's a little playa. Hey! Oh. Ooh. Snuck a little kiss there, Enzo. Didn't see that coming, did you, bud?
Take it easy.
Now?
Only if I look alright.
You look great. Do you want to say hi to my viewers?
Hi to your viewers. Hi.
Vlog Inception, I'm downloading the vlog, eating some mac and cheese. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe down low and click that little bell button for future videos. So yeah, if you want to see what I'm eating next week, check it out.